How to make a thin, beautiful and elegant paracord bracelet using the Paracord Type I. So stay with us in the next few minutes and you will learn how to make this beautiful thin paracord bracelet. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome paracord project. As you can see here, today we're gonna use the Paracord Type I, the dark blue and the orange, a small buckle and the jig. So let's start. But before that, if you learn how to make this beautiful thin paracord bracelet, I'm wearing today the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards and also down below in the description box of this video. So we're gonna start. Take the ends of a dark blue, pull them together, find the center of your paracord and then proceed. So here I have the center of our Paracord Type I. I'm gonna take the, let me just zoom a bit. So we're gonna take our Paracord Type I and we're gonna pass it, focus please, okay, we're gonna pass it from the top into the buckle and then we're gonna pass our cords through the loop and pull it to make it tight. Now we created our bracelet core and working ends and we're gonna start with the knots. So first we're gonna take the, let me zoom more, okay, so we're gonna take the right side dark blue and we're gonna pass it from the top into the middle and around, and then we're gonna pull it through the middle like so and to the side. Now we're gonna take the left dark blue, pass it from the top through the middle, around, and from the top through the middle again and cross it. From here we're gonna take our orange and we're gonna pass it from the top through the middle around the dark blue cords and we're gonna return it from the back through the top to the right side. Do the same with the left strand, so from the top in the middle, then around from the back through and to the left side. Now again, from the top into the middle, around, and from the top into the middle again, but to the left side. Now with the left strand, from the top into the middle, around, and now from the top side into the middle and to the right. Now take the orange, pass it from the top around these two crossing dark blue cords, and return it from the back through the middle but to the left side. And we're gonna repeat with the left strand, so from the top around the two crossing dark blue cords, and from the back through the middle and to the right side. And we're gonna tie it. So as you can see, we reach almost the end of today's project, and here you can clearly see I use more than we need the paracord. So on the beginning of this tutorial you will have the exact length of Paracord Type I used. Now we're just left to finish the project, and we're gonna do it by creating the Solomon knot or a cobra weave. So take the right strand, pass it on top of the core strands. Let me just zoom a bit. And then with the left strand, pass it on top of the right strand to the back, and from the back through the loop on the right side. Now from here we're gonna insert our orange paracord from the top, past this strand here and through the middle. And we're gonna do the same with the left strand. So from the top into the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt them down, and finish the bracelet. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Well, that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye!